Just a quick reminder that amidst your amazing endeavor of learning Snowflake and mastering it, and also getting ready for your certification, know that on Love the Course, our course on Snowflake has all the materials that you're going to see in terms of videos, source code, and hundreds of certifications exam preparing you for the COF, CO2. Best of luck.
If you have any background in SQL on any platform or database, you're going to find that a lot of the functionality exists within Snowflake with a couple more variations. For example, when it comes to DDL commands, data definition language commands, you'll have your create, alter, truncate, rename, and drop. When it comes to command languages, it comes grant and revoke. Furthermore, when it comes to TCL, you have your begin, commit, rollback, and create. When it comes to the querying, you have your select statement. When it comes to the DML, data manipulation language, you have your insert, merge, update, delete, and so on. In terms of SQL and Snowflake, we're going to realize that a lot of the objects are similar in terms of tables. So as such, we have our create table command, views, you can create your views, store procedures, you can create your store procedures. But then if you'd like to look at the DDL, the data definition language for how you create a table, the store proc, and so on, you're going to realize the slight variations on the right side where it comes to select get DDL for table, city. SQL is a standard language across platforms and databases. So more specifically, we're going to look at a few useful queries within the Snowflake environment. For example, if we'd like to show the first 10 rows, then we'll type our select statement, select, as in the first example, select star from table name, limit 10, and that will display only the first 10 rows. The next example is where we'd like to display the usage of last 10 days. And that's why we have the days minus 10. The next is where we'd like to check the stages and file formats created in Snowflake. So we'll type in show stages and show file formats. To check for variables, we can run the next statement. Show variables. We use the following query to find the login history of a database, which is select star from table. And then as you can see, we're referencing the login underscore history. Also, if we'd like to provide the timestamp, username, how login has done either using password or single sign-on, we would type in show columns in table. And then the command to show all the parameters provided by Snowflake is show parameters. From a Snowflake administrator perspective, there's over 70 parameters that we could tweak. So we want to make sure we review them so that we could tweak them for the best performance for our warehouses, our schemas, and the execution of our queries.
Just a quick reminder that amidst your amazing endeavor of learning Snowflake and mastering it, and also getting ready for your certification, know that on Love the Course, our course on Snowflake has all the materials that you're going to see in terms of videos, source code, and hundreds of certifications exam preparing you for the COF, CO2. Best of luck.